How to turn on location services on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and go to Privacy and Security. From here, you can control which apps can access your data, location, camera, and microphone, and also manage protections. Tap on Location Services at the top. On this page, turn on the Location Services option as shown. Location Services uses GPS, Bluetooth, and crowdsourced Wi-Fi hotspots and cell tower locations to determine your location. You can now also view which apps have access to your location below. Following these steps, you can easily turn on location services on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.